Welcome. I'm taking you inside America's money factory, where billions of dollars are printed every single day.
$540 million printed every single day. But how? The secret's inside America's most secure factory.
Control, this is checkpoint 2. We are experiencing a slight backup at the X-ray.
Welcome to the Bureau of Engraving and Printing. Behind this glass, we print billions of dollars in U.S. currency every day.
Chain of custody confirmed. Pallet 1 secured and logged.
This single printing press costs $3 million. Here's why.
Every single bill gets a unique serial number. Watch how.
These machines count 30 bills per second. That's insane speed.
Scan confirms contents match manifest.
Acknowledged. Proceed to staging area.
We need 50,000 in hundreds for the Atlanta District Order.
Confirmed. Scanning the manifest now.
Manifest confirmed. Seal the compartments.
Affirmative. Seals engaged. We are secure. Command, this is Convoy 1. We are approaching the target building. All green. Command, this is Convoy 1. We are approaching the target building. All green.
Everything reconciled, Mr. Davis.
All right, let's get this signed off and moved inside.
Watch the clearance on the left.
Got it. Scanning the next pallet now. Everything accounted for on the manifest here. Signature required.
Confirmed. 22 containers received. And that's how your dollars are really made. From special paper to your wallet, now you know the billion-dollar secrets.
$540 million printed daily. 95% of bills replace worn currency. Bills last 6 to 15 years.
By checking for the watermark, the glowing UV thread, and the unique 3D security ribbon, you can easily verify genuine currency.
Check your bills and know the features. The genuine bill shows a clear watermark and a glowing security thread. The counterfeit lacks these crucial details.
Founded in 1862 during the Civil War, the Bureau of Engraving has faithfully served the American people for over 160 years.
Trusted currency, enables global trade, and supports the U.S. economy with $540 million daily.
Have you checked your bills for these features? Tell us in the comments and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory tours.
From special paper to economic power, now you know how America's money is really made. Thanks for watching Behind the Factory.